The German-designed and engineered K7 Smart Control high pressure washer is the latest innovation from leading cleaning technology brand Kärcher, and it's the first ever app-connected pressure washer. This is the top of the range, most powerful electric pressure washer, and it produces a whopping 2600 PSI with an extra 220 PSI when using the boost function. And with the new Karcher Home and Garden app, you can get the perfect settings and guidance for whatever you're cleaning. This model features Kärcher's advanced nozzle technology, which gives a wider spray from the nozzle, helping you get the job done quicker without compromising on performance. It also features a water-cooled motor, which helps keep the motor cooler for longer, allowing you to clean more and tackle those bigger jobs around the home. Once registered with Kärcher, this machine is supported by a 7-year warranty. Karcher electric pressure washers feature a push and twist system that make it super easy to attach the lances as well as the wide range of accessories. The 3-in-1 multi-jet allows you to easily switch between a Vario power lance, a dirt blaster and detergent applicator with a single twist. The dirt blaster in particular is exceptionally great for stubborn dirt on brick walls, concrete or any hard surfaces. Once the lance is in position, you can adjust the water pressure from soft to hard with the Smart Control gun, ensuring you are using the optimal pressure for each cleaning task. Or you can use the Home and Garden app to take care of the settings for you. There's also a Kärcher plug and clean detergent system. You simply flip your Kärcher detergent bottle upside down, plug it into the machine and you're ready to go. Kärcher has the widest range of electric pressure washer accessories on the market, and you can use them all with this model. From wash brushes to surface cleaners and even the popular foam jet. The K7 features a telescopic handle so you can wheel it to wherever you want to clean easily and quite comfortably. The handle is completely retractable for easy storage, and the lances can also be stored snugly onto this unit itself. Another great feature is the hose reel for neatly storing the high pressure hose after you finished using it. The K7 is available on its own or complete with suitable accessories and detergents to get you started on your cleaning tasks. For more information or to check out the full range of Karcher pressure washers, head to karcher.com.au.